Hello everyone, welcome to justgg.com. At least once a year, we should go someplace we have never been before.
Because when we travel and visit certain places, it gives you an opportunity to be a part of nature, gives you room to breathe, turns you into a storyteller, and gives you memories that last forever. In this video, I am going to show you a place known as Mountains of the Imagination. When I visited this place, I felt the same and something beyond imagination, and that is Grand Teton National Park. A park that includes mountains, valleys, lakes, rivers, forests, wildflowers, and wildlife. And here are those iconic spots and I did enjoy in Grand Teton National Park. These are some of the finest mountains in the world, with towering granite peaks and glacially carved canyons. Grand Teton National Park is in the northwest corner of Wyoming in Teton County. This park offers mountain climbers and hikers an opportunities to experience nature at its most dramatic. Grand Teton has a lot to offer. It is famous for spectacular mountain scenery and wildlife. Park boundaries include approximately 310,000 acres, which is 485 square miles. The 42-mile scenic loop driving through Grand Teton National Park offers stunning views of the Teton Range, along with the opportunity to view wildlife. The Teton Range is a mountain range of the Rocky Mountains. Many turnouts along park roads offer exhibits on park geology, wildlife, and plants. The Teton Range is as breathtaking as any mountain landscape one could ever see. The Teton Park Road runs along the base of the Teton Range. Along the road, there are multiple pull-offs and overlooks. The drive is your personal tour of Grand Teton National Park. If you are a hiker, hiking in Grand Teton National Park can be a challenging experience due to the rugged nature of the landscape, including high elevation, steep trails, and extreme and sudden weather changes. Mountain weather is unpredictable. Thunderstorm and lightning can strike with little or no warning. Also be mindful that cell phones might not work on some of these hiking trails, and the highest peak in the Teton mountain range is at 13,770 feet above sea level. Jenny Lake is one of the most visited areas in the park. Several popular trails lead from Jenny Lake. You could take the boats across Jenny Lake to the trailheads on the other side of the lake. You will find short and simple trails leading you to Hidden Falls and Inspiration Point, which is one of the true iconic hikes of Grand Teton National Park. These hikes will allow you to view a magnificent waterfall where you can feel the mist for the roaring water on exposed rock, as well as visiting a scenic vista overlooking the valley. And you could also spot some wildlife on your hike. Jackson Lake is one of the largest high-altitude lakes in the United States at an elevation of 6,772 feet above sea level. And it is one of the best outdoor recreation area to visit during the summer months. numerous species of fish inhabit the lake, including cutthroat trout and mountain whitefish. Jackson Lake scenic cruises are the perfect excursion for the entire family. Teton Wildlife is part of the greater Yellowstone ecosystem, and the wildlife viewing is regularly referred to some of the best in the US. It is home to a wide variety of animals: bisons, mooses, elks, pronghorns, eagles, bighorn sheep, wolves, and bears are regularly seen throughout the park. According to the National Park Service, always keep a safe distance when viewing wildlife. Whether you are in your vehicle or on foot, you must maintain a distance at least 100 yards from bears and wolves and 25 yards from all other wildlife. Animals in the park are wild and may act aggressively if approached. The wildflowers of Grand Teton National Park usually bloom May through September. There are only about 60 continuous frost-free days a year in the park, so the growing season is very short and the dominant blooming flowers change quickly from week to week. The park is home to a wide variety of birds. Birds can be found throughout the park. There is a chapel inside Grand Teton National Park, Chapel of the Transfiguration. The chapel serves as a house of worship and offers religious services to the public. With the Tetons as a background, visitors come to the Chapel of the Transfiguration to exchange wedding vows and/or to simply for the inspiring views. The rustic log chapel sits on a rise just within the southern entrance of Grand Teton National Park. A large window behind its altar frames the magnificent beauty of the Teton mountain range. It has become a favorite spot for photographers, sightseers, and weddings. You could also bring a touch of luxury to the Grand Teton Park experience by staying at the cabins. Jenny Lake has cozy, high-end luxury cabins available, which is in a breathtaking location inside the park near the base of the Teton Range. Stay in the park is also an easy access to Yellowstone National Park. Grand Teton National Park is located south of Yellowstone National Park, and the same visitor's pass is good in both parks. Also provides visitors with a rare opportunity to spend time at two gems of the national park system, within easy driving distance of each other. Located in northwestern Wyoming, Grand Teton National Park protects stunning mountain scenery and a diverse array of wildlife. I thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information about the park, nearby attractions, and more videos like this, please visit justgg.com.